Thinking of selling your home? This video is for you. We're about to go over the 5 ways to make your home stand out. Hi, I'm Chris Madden with Christian Saunders Real Estate, host of Living in Luzerne County. And when you sell your house, there's so much that can go into it. A homeowner really doesn't understand the complexities and the multitude of things to maximize their home sale. Here's the top 5 things you can do to maximize your home sale. First one is stage. Now, people have a misconception of staging, and there's a multitude of levels of staging, but basically what we want to do is declutter your home, and we want to maximize the features of your home. So maybe swapping out a couch for a chair might make a room a little bit bigger. It's not necessarily bringing in fancy furniture that you would see in a magazine to make your house look amazing. It's really to put the right pieces of furniture in a home to maximize it through the buyer's eyes, because selling your home isn't about you, it's about the buyer perceiving the benefits of your home. So there's not only staging as far as furniture goes, there's virtual staging if the home is empty. There's, like I said, a laundry list of different ways you could stage your home. But staging your home, the statistics is unequivocal. It shows homes sell quicker and for more money when homes are staged. Another great thing to make your home stand out is a pre-listing inspection. A pre-listing inspection is just that, the same home inspection that you might have gotten when you buy the house, but you're doing it when you're listing it. You're doing it for a few reasons. You're doing it to see if there's anything wrong with the house you may not know about, or maybe there was an issue, you wasn't sure it was a big issue, it became a big issue, but it's gonna identify things that you want to take care of. And those are mainly structural and mechanical issues you wanna take care of. You don't wanna necessarily do huge complex projects when you're getting ready to sell your home, but those 2 things will be identified, you could take care of it. Another great thing it does is allows your real estate agent to use that as leverage to negotiate ahead of time. The more you know about your house, the more you can share, the more power you have in negotiations because you already had that pre-listing inspection. Another great tip that can be used, especially in the lower end of the price point, is a home warranty. You can list your house with a home warranty. It will cost you less than $1,000, but what it could get you is a quicker sale and for more money, especially for first-time home buyers who may be using all their savings to purchase that first home. That peace of mind they're gonna get to know that the home comes with a warranty might be the difference between a full price offer and less than a full price offer. Another thing that's hugely important to make your house stand out is ensuring your house is priced correctly. It's one of the biggest problems we have in the market is people not pricing their house correctly. If you make your house, if you stage your house, you have your house inspected, it's decluttered, it's clean, it's ready to go, and it's priced correctly, you're gonna be extremely happy with the results. However, if you come up with some crazy price that you want just because you think your house is amazing compared to all the other houses in the neighborhood, you could be on the market for way longer. You could end up selling your house for way less than if you priced it correctly. Last, certainly not least, to make your house stand out, you need to focus on the way your house and marketing is gonna look online. And I mean big, I mean like Bigfoot marketing. I mean, 99% of people will first see your house online. So how it looks online, its online presence, is almost more important than the actual house itself, because you want to get the most buyers you can into your house. They're first going to see your house online. So really focusing on that huge online presence will definitely set your house apart from the rest of the crowd that is just getting their house put on the MLS and that's it. Thanks so much. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe below. If you want more information on how to sell your house for top dollar, please check out these videos that will help you in your home selling process.